Hi everyone. So in this quick video, I will go through the Kubernetes CronJob and Jobs demo. So let's get started. So first, what I do, I will create a variable called n, and I will save the namespace name, and namespace will be cronjob demo ns. And what I do next is create that particular namespace. So namespace name is cronjob demo ns. Next, what I do is I'll create a cronjob demo um, a YAML file, and the schedule will be every 1 minute. I'm using a busybox image. Restart policy is on failure, and I'm redirecting it to a cronjob.yaml file, and the command that I will be testing it out will be date. We're just printing out the date. So the file has been created. I will open that particular file in VS Code. So this is the cronjob YAML file. I will make the necessary changes in this particular file. So what I am doing is I'm setting active deadline seconds, and it applies to the duration of job. No matter how many jobs are created, once a job reaches its final active deadline seconds, it will be terminated. And I'm setting is to 3600, which will be 1 hour. And second is back off limit, which is 5 number of retries before considering a job has failed. Completion mode is indexed, which is like it will start from 0 1 2 3, and it will go till completions, which will be 5. Okay, next is I am setting some variables like for the spec number of jobs to be kept, successful and failed jobs. Right, and okay, one more thing I have set is parallelism. I have set it to 3, so this is number of pods that can be started in parallel, and there should be 5. So this it will run every 1 minute, and it will try to complete 5 and 3 at a time. So I'll show you what it means later on. So this is all has been set. Okay, so now I will create that cron job via YAML file. So the cron job demo has been created. I'll just try to get the cron job. Okay, the schedule is 1. Currently there are no active, and there's no active jobs at the moment, and last schedule is also none because we have specified as 1 hour. So it will, sorry, every 1 minute, so it will be starting in around 1 minute timeline. So I'll get the pods. So yep, so you can see the just now it has triggered 5 because we have specified 5 completions. So first 3 was started exactly at 20 seconds before, and after, because it's a very quick date command, so after a very short period there were 2 more because 5 is there and 3 parallel. So 15 second and 13 second that next 2 were triggered. I can just do watch also. So last schedule was 50 seconds ago, so what we are seeing here before. So I just can escape out. Okay, so now after 1 minute, there's after 1 more minute, second set of uh, jobs has been triggered, and 3 at a time. So I will just check the logs. So I will just take one of the first pod, and the name of the first pod, and I will show you the logs. So the first pod name is what we are seeing here. This was the first pod which was created, and we'll check out the logs. So logs date command has successfully been run, and similarly we'll create. So next is we'll just try to create a one instance of job from the cron job, and the name of the job is job demo. So it's not on a schedule, it's like a one-time activity. It's basically for testing and all. You can use this functionality. So this has been created. I'll get the job. So job demo was just created, and there was only one instance, and it's trying to do 5 completions. So if I do like this, so you can see the 5 instances of job demo 0 1 2 3 4. This is based on indexed property that we have specified. 3 were started in parallel and they got completed, and after like on the same time 17 seconds before, and after immediately the next set was triggered and they are in container creating state. So we'll just get one more time. Okay, so finally they have all five have completed, and this is slightly different because every 1 minute the five of them are getting triggered. So you will see that 79 79 79 3 5 were triggered, at 80 five of them were triggered, at 81 five of them triggered, and three of them were in parallel, so they have same timestamp 41 second, and after three got completed, next two got triggered. So yes, so this is the basic difference between cron job and a job. Job demo is just once, and cron job is every on every schedule that we have specified. So that's it, guys. This is a quick demo. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. See you next time.